There are times in Excel where you might see the number symbols in your columns. There's an easy fix to this. If I click on the cells, I can still see the number. The problem is that the column width it's not wide enough to show the entire number. Therefore, you would need to widen the column in order to show the entire number. So if you go in between the columns here, you can click and drag until you see what you need. Or another way to do it is I can select both columns to click and drag, or I can auto fit by double clicking and it will auto fit to the longest entry, which is the column heading. So those number signs just mean that you have not widened the column enough to where the number or the content of the cell can display.